Choosing the right chemically resistant epoxy flooring isn't one size fits all. The wrong system can quickly fail when exposed to harsh chemicals. In industrial and commercial environments, chemical exposure can lead to straining, softening, delamination, and premature coating failure if the flooring system isn't properly designed. To determine the best chemically resistant epoxy flooring system, several factors must be evaluated. First, identify the types of chemicals the floor will be exposed to, such as acids, solvents, oils, or cleaning agents, and how such exposure occurs. Consistent exposure requires a higher performance system than occasional spills. Standard epoxy coatings may be suitable for light chemical exposure, while high-build epoxy or non-volic epoxy systems are designed for aggressive chemical environments and elevated temperatures. Proper surface preparation is critical. Even the most chemically resistant epoxy floor will fail without correct substrate preparation and moisture control. If your facility requires chemically resistant flooring, working with an experienced flooring contractor ensures that the system is designed for your specific environment. Contact us today to discuss your chemical exposure and find the right epoxy flooring solution for your facility.